Hi everyone, welcome back to Sewing with Glam Essence. In this video, I will be showing you how to perfectly sew a pants pocket as a professional. If this is what you have been finding very difficult, or you sew pant pockets with the style of a gown, please do well to watch this tutorial video till the end so you can learn how to sew a pants pocket professionally, just as you are watching on the video. So let's head on over to this tutorial, guys. So guys, the first thing we are going to do is to fold our material into two, just as you are seeing me do on the video. So the next thing I'll do is to mark the width of 7 inches. This is the width, not the length. And then I'll be marking the length of at least 10 inches. I make sure that the length of my pocket is more or exactly the length of my crotch. Okay, so do well to connect the lines with your straight rule, as you can see on the video, and then I'll go ahead to cut it. After cutting it, you will see that each of your pocket piece is in fold. Yes, it's going to be on fold, making it two pieces, one for the right and then one for the left leg. Okay, just make sure you fold your material, that's your pocket material, into two, the way I did here on the video. So at this point, I am going to be joining the crotch area by ½ inch, as you can see, just to hold the two legs of my front pant piece together. So this is the pocket. Remember, I said it is going to be on fold, so this is the length. Why it is on fold is going to be 7 inches by 10 inches. Please do not forget. So for us to do this, you are going to open it up like this and place one edge of my pocket piece at the edge of one leg of my front piece. So from this side, I will come down by 6 inches or 5.5 inch, and then I'll connect it to 2 inches from this side, as you can see on the video. Please make sure that the front part of your pocket is facing the front leg of your pants. You can see I am going to stitch down on this mark. Okay, so you also do the same thing, just in case you do not understand what I did. From this point, I will mark 2 inches, and then from the up down, I'll mark 6 inches and connect it using my chalk. Please make sure that the front or the right side of your pocket is facing the right side of your pants. Okay, and then I'll use my pin to hold it firmly, just as you are seeing me do on the video. So I'll go ahead to stitch down those places that I've marked. After doing that, you can see I am stitching it down. Please make sure that while doing it, you top stitch at the both ends. Okay, at the starting point and then at the ending point. So the next thing I'll do now is to trim off the excesses. Please make sure you watch this place closely, just in case you do not understand what I am saying. Okay, so the next thing I'll do right now is to notch these pieces, as you can see on the video, so it is going to relax very well by the time we fold in our pocket. So you can see I am trying to fold my pocket. Okay, so at this point, you can see how this stitched area is looking so neat and flat, and by the time we iron it, it is going to look very perfect. So I'll use my thread to secure it, to run a stitch right like this, so it will sit perfectly well. You know, this is a stretchy material, so I just have to give it a very well laid down look. So this is the back area, and by the time we fold our pocket like this at the back, making sure that the space minus at the front will cover up for the front area. And by the time you hold this way, this is where you are going to stitch, so that when you put your hand into your pocket, it is not going to fall off. Okay, So I'm going to close the base of my pocket just as you are seeing me do on the video. Some people may go ahead to weave it, but for me, I am going to stitch it down using 1/2 inch like this. Okay, this is the essence of cutting your pocket on fold. Some people cut it into 2 pieces and then go ahead to stitch it all the way around, but cutting it on fold will make it easier and simple for you. You can see how the back piece of this pant is looking. So we are going to stitch down this place, holding the pocket and this side firmly so it doesn't shift. Okay, so by the time you stitch down both the pockets and the pants at this side, when you are doing your sewing, that's your final stitching allowance, it is not going to be shifting out. So at this point, you don't mind stitching down both the pocket allowance. So guys, you can see how the pocket is looking already. So at this point guys, I will replace that 2 I marked in front of the pocket initially on the second parts of the pocket, as you can see on the video. So starting from that 2, I will stitch down the waist of this pocket piece with the waist of my pants, and then I'll stitch it down. Please make sure that before sewing down your pocket that you have already sewed your pants. That's okay guys, this is the final look of our pants pocket. You can see I also went ahead to replicate exactly the same thing I did on this leg of my pants piece to the other leg. This is the back view of this our pants pocket. You can see how it is well laid at the back. Okay, so you don't have to sew in your gown pocket the same way you sew pants pocket. This is just the perfect way of sewing a pants pocket. Okay guys, this is the final look of my pants. You can see the ghetto lines in front. So thank you so much for watching guys. I am very grateful. I am so happy for stopping by and showing your support once again. Please do well to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.